Hello. So I have an old computer from 2007 or something like that, and I managed to install Windows XP on it, and it's actually a volume license, so I don't have to activate it. Yeah, and there is also a service pack 4 for XP. It doesn't show here, but it says version 2 2014. It's basically a community version of the service pack. So here you see it's a Q6600, and it has the computer itself got 8 GB of RAM, but Windows XP can only handle about 3 gigs. It says 3.25 here, so I don't know if it's the graphics card memory that is included, because the graphics card got 256 megabytes of RAM. But otherwise, yeah, it works pretty good actually. Device manager. Let's see. The only thing, I don't know what this device is actually, because I installed all the drivers. Yeah, I got the 1 terabyte Western Digital green drive. This. And this is the old graphics card. It's the GeForce 8800 GT, and it's the 256 megabyte version. And when I get a new graphics card for my main computer, I will put that card in here in this computer, and it's the GTX 660. But otherwise, yeah, everything seems to be actually working, even the floppy drive. Monitors, I don't have a monitor connected to this computer. I use a Elgato Camlink 4K as a monitor, and that's why I can actually record this on a different computer, on my main computer with OBS Studio. Processors, yeah, it's the Q6600. We got also the sound, the real tech stuff. This old computer doesn't have USB 3, it's just USB 2. And yeah, disk management. Yeah, that's the main drive, the 1 terabyte drive, and then I have a CD here, or a DVD connected to a USB connection. And I thought I would have this computer as kind of a nostalgia thing for games. And I already started to install some games here, like Diablo. It's Diablo 1, the first Diablo that came out. Some golf games. Need for Speed Porsche 2000. So the game only have the Porsche cars. From the first Porsche I ever created and up. Games, Command and Conquer. Yes, this is a sort of a bundle that I got on a DVD. So you get most of the games. Let's see. Yeah, it's called The First Decade. You get Tiberian Sun, Red Alert 2, Red Alert 2 Yari's Revenge, Renegade, Generals 0 Hour. And there's a bonus DVD, I don't know what's on it, but might be just some video. So yeah, and this is the games that I installed right now. Then I got a bunch of other games like the first Far Cry, Unreal 2 Awakening, Colin McRae Dirt. And they stopped using the Colin McRae after his death. Some more Tiger Woods, Trackmania, Fear. I never played Fear, actually. The Mist 4, Revelation, I got the Riven as well, the sequel to Myst. But it's super annoying because there's two versions of that game. It's one of them came on a DVD, and the first gen came on CD. And it's actually 5 CDs. And the annoying thing is that every time you change, like the island, you have to change the CD. Super annoying. Then I got some other Need for Speed here, Underground, Hot Pursuit 2, Battlefield 1942. Yeah. Then I got some other kind of game like the first Hitman and stuff. And let's see if actually Diablo work. I don't know if you have to have the CD in here. Programs. Diablo. Yeah, the problem with the Camlink 4K is that when it changes the resolution, the screen goes completely black. So I have to remove it and add it again. So let's see, Camlink. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I need to, let's see, fit the screen. Yeah, I need the CD. Okay. That's kind of the issue with the old games. You need to have the CD in. There's a lot of those, cracks for it. You like the no CD cracks. Okay. Blizzard Entertainment. Diablo 1996. And kind of a funny thing with this, there's no options. Just single player, multiplayer, replay intro, and show credits. There's no options of changing resolution and audio or whatever. Yeah, you have the mouse. The audio might be a little bit loud. Turn it down a little bit. So yeah. So this is Diablo 1, for example. So yeah, I'm just going to exit this. And there you go. I have to, every time it changes resolution, I have to add the 4K, the Camlink again. So yeah, so I might actually do some streaming on Twitch, some of these games. Right now I'm just installing a bunch of games. Yeah. And I remember I have done this kind of before one time, a long time ago. And some games install some extra DirectX 9 stuff. And some games kind of crash, or some other games that I installed crash because of this new stuff. But yeah, kind of fun to play around with. The computer works pretty fine. I had one blue screen, but I don't know what that was, but otherwise it's kind of fun to play around with. The old solitaire. And yeah, I'm so used with the new version of Windows where you can actually search directly on the start menu. But here you have to go to a bunch of menus and then like have shortcuts on the desktop and whatever. And I remember using this remote assistance with helping my mom, for example. I could sit at home and help her. Admin tools. Yeah, let's see. Task manager. Processes. Performance. Yeah, here are the 4 cores. The Q6600. It's 4 cores, no hyper-threading, so it's 4 cores, 4 threads. Yeah. Kind of nice. So that's that. I might do some videos about Windows XP later on how to kind of do stuff. So yeah, catch you later.